Hey, ta-da! What's wrong with that kitty? Huh? Is he scared? Hand? You say, is kitty scared? Say, why are you out here, Belle? Are you out here because you were bad the other day? Huh? Being gentle. Yeah, don't touch. You don't like it out here, do you, Belle? Say, next time you won't go crazy on us, will you? Oh, that's sweet. Claire just loved you. Tell him it's okay, Claire. Can you say, no touch, no touch?